DWALT jab saw. Some people in the past know them as plasterboard saws. A lot of tradesmen out there are habitual in the way they work. They're so used to using a one-piece saw. But with a one-piece saw, you go in your toolbox, you can get stabbed by it. So this is pretty innovative in as much that it folds in and is safe. We know it's going to be guaranteed tough. The lock is solid. We've got a super sharp point on the end of the blade. It's got triple ground teeth, which means that whatever we're doing, we're going to be quick at it, it's going to be productive. Not only that, it also comes with a rasp. So if you're going back and resizing some boxes or need to clean them out after your plaster has been there, you can rasp it down rather than cut in, smooth it down. Or if you've cut it out and your plasterboard boxes don't quite fit, you can just smooth it in. You've got a bi-material handle, plastic with a nice soft ergonomic grip. And then when you finish with the job, we just fold it all securely away and safe in the knowledge that you're not going to hurt yourself.